Hi everyone! Today we're going to move the oil drums. Look, the transporter has also arrived. The first oil drum has been loaded on the truck. Then hook up the second oil drum. Ah, what is that sound? It is an elephant. Oh my god, it is attacking the oil drum. Oh no, the oil drum is on fire. I need to use the fire extinguisher to put out the fire. What should we do? The fire extinguisher can't put it out, and also set the wood pile on fire. Let's dig some soil to try, to see if it can put out the fire. The fire seems to be a little smaller. Keep digging up the soil. Cover it with the soil. Finally, we put out the fire of the oil drum, but the wood pile is also on fire. Let's get the transporter out of here first. Let's put out the fire in the wood pile. Oh, it is so dangerous. Let's use the excavator to dig some soil. Cover the wood pile with the soil. It doesn't seem to work. Pour this bucket of soil down. Oops, the fire in the wood pile is too big. The fire can't be put out with soil. We need the fire truck to support. The excavator quickly gets out of the way. The fire truck finally arrived, but the wood fire got bigger and bigger. Fire engine, quickly raise the ladder to spray water. There are oil drums next to it. Quickly control the fire. I'm going to help put out the fire. Look, we finally put out the fire. Let the fire truck go back. The oil drums on the ground haven't been moved yet. Continue to move the oil drums. The transporter drives over, ready to load the oil drums. Pick up this red oil drum again. Okay, look, the compartment is full of oil drums. Let the transporter take them away quickly.